Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantum Chem Lab. I'm happy to see you here. Before we start any experiment, there is one very important topic we must talk about is lab safety. Lab safety helps us avoid injuries and handle chemicals responsibly. Even if you are doing a simple experiment at home, these safety rules are extremely important. First, let's talk about safety equipment. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes, gloves to protect your hands, and a lab coat or apron to protect your clothes and skin. Also, remember to wear closed toe shoes. These small steps can prevent serious accidents. Next is knowing your workspace. Always identify safety equipment like the eye wash station and fire extinguisher before starting. Keep your work table clean and organized. And remember, food and drinks should always be kept out of the lab. Now, let's discuss handling chemicals carefully. Never taste chemicals or smell them directly. Always read labels twice before using any substance. Use proper tools like droppers, spatulas, and measuring instruments instead of your hands. Another important rule is to follow instructions. Read or listen to each step carefully before starting. Never mix chemicals unless you are instructed to do so. If you are unsure about anything, always ask questions. Safety comes first. When working with heat safety is very important. Use tongs or heat resistant gloves. Keep your hair tied back and never leave flames unattended. Let's move on to glassware safety. Always check glassware for cracks before using it. Handle hot glass carefully because it may look cool but still be hot. Never force a stopper into a test tube as it can break and cause injury. After completing your experiment, clean up properly. Dispose of chemicals as instructed. Wash your hands with soap and water. Clean your workspace and return all equipment to its proper place. Finally, be aware of emergency procedures. Know how to handle spills. Report accidents immediately. Stay calm and follow the correct safety steps. Quick reminder, lab safety keeps everyone safe and ensures experiments run smoothly. A safe lab is a successful lab. Thank you for watching Quantum Chem Lab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next experiment.